Quick DJ tip for you Engine DJ DJs. If you haven't seen this, it's going to blow your mind. It's been there for a while actually, but a lot of our DJs here in our community are just buying this unit here, the new Rane System 1. And they're wanting to know the answer to this question, so I'm about to show you. So here's the question. You are DJing with your USB drive at a gig, loving your new unit. And if you've got one of these, well, you've got every right to. It's got built-in stems. It's got all the modern stuff on it that you find in DJ laptop software. But you get home and you just want to kick back and play some music. You want to get some new songs and drop them into the desktop version of Engine DJ, which is only library preparation software, right? And analyze them and play with them. And you don't want to have to export to USB drive from your laptop to plug into the back of your unit. When you're at home, why would you? Your laptop sat there. Wouldn't it be nice if you could just plug your laptop in and DJ from that? But wouldn't it be even better if you didn't even have to plug your laptop in? Well, you can. You don't need wires. You don't need to use DJ software. Like you don't have to use Serato and DJ as if this were a big controller. You can do. But there is a way of doing it with just the laptop on the same Wi-Fi network. That's the important thing. So this is how you do it. Get your laptop, open Engine DJ, make sure you're up to date with all the latest versions of Engine DJ and the firmware and so on. And make sure you're on your home. In this instance, I'm on the office Wi-Fi network on your laptop that's running the Engine DJ software. Then over on the Engine DJ powered equipment, make sure you are logged in to the same Wi-Fi network. Really, really important, or this will not work. Once you've done that, get past that screen and go to your sources screen and you will see a whole load of sources that you can connect. And one of them will be your laptop, in this case, my MacBook Air. So I click on there and it connects to the MacBook Air there. It asks me on the screen, do I want to accept that connection? I click accept over on the laptop. Now this laptop is not plugged in to the network in any way other than over Wi-Fi. It's only got a power cable plugged into it. That's it. This unit here has got nothing plugged into it other than, in this instance, the power cable. I've not even plugged the audio in to give you this little demo because I'm not going to play anything. But look, here is the library on my computer. And I can now treat this library in exactly the same way that I would treat it if I loaded it from a USB drive. I can browse through the library, I can search, I can load tracks and so on. Now you don't actually do anything on the laptop. The laptop's just sat there. I could close the laptop. It could be in another room. It doesn't even have to be in the same room. And because there's nothing going on the laptop, there's nothing I can do. I can't drag tracks to decks on the laptop. There's a similar feature, for instance, over on the Alpha Theta Pioneer DJ Rekordbox ecosystem that does something similar. And in that one, you can use the laptop to kind of drag tracks onto decks and stuff. There's none of that on this version of it. This version of it, everything you do is done on the unit itself. The laptop is seriously just on the same network and it's just linked into the software so that you can grab the music from it from there. It's really useful. And so if you didn't know that, why don't you go and have a try if you're an Engine DJ user? If you'd like more tips just like this, then do come and subscribe to Digital DJ Tips. We are the world's leading DJ school and we do this stuff weekly. We'll give you a copy of our book, Rock the Dance Floor, as a thank you for joining. So, hey, what have you got to lose? It's absolutely free to join. Anyway, head over to the QR code there, give that a scan or type in the URL you see there and come and become our latest free member. We'd love to have you. Meanwhile, though, it's Phil here at Digital DJ Tips saying get good, get out there, make the moments. I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.